What up, frigates? This is a Mahi catch and cook, frigate chaser style. That's right, cooking with Julie. Julie also whips up an amazing coleslaw and a seafood boil with gas station shrimp.
What's up, y'all? So we are about 12 to 15 miles off of Freeport, kind of southeast, yes. Southeast a little bit. Freeport's basically right back over that direction. Today we're out in some deep water, about
deeper than it can go. About 2,200 feet, 2,500 feet.
Captain says deeper than it can go, about 2,200, 2,500 feet.
Yep.
So we're gonna try to get out there and do that thing that gave this boat its name, and that's find those frigates. Haven't seen any yet, but once we find them, hopefully we'll get on it. Boys are back here rigging some stuff up. See you on first hookup.
We came across this giant weed patch and just decided to circle it and cast into it for a little bit.
Bunch of little baities out here off this big old weed line. No clue what that is, but
That is a huge school of whatever those white things are.
yeah, should I get out the cast net?
No, I don't know what they are. I'm hoping there's something bigger around it.
What we got here?
I don't know, but it's upside down. It's so spastic.
It's gonna be of no use to us.
I mean, hook it for bait?
We do hook around it. Because they were...
Now we get in the sun. See, it's like golden.
Around it some more.
Yeah, it's basically
really.
golden.
Yeah.
That's a cool little fish.
That's a beauty, eh?
It's gold.
That's awesome. I don't know
You know what?
that is.
I know what it is. Oh,
Eat it.
Jesus
I'm
Christ.
good.
Remember, with the share, don't stop it.
Watch where your foot is. Oh, God. Sorry, I'm not trying to touch your butt. I just like, oh my God, there's a foot. There's a hook. I don't know. Here, let's
Oh, I gotta pay attention here.
There's a fish. That's not what it is.
What you got? Yay! The Bahamas can produce! Yes, our 5th CUDA of the trip.
All right, let's get off this spot and move out.
We've only spent 17 hours trolling so far, 5 CUDAs. We know how to do this shit. Right?
I mean, I really hope we wouldn't catch a CUDA today.
Really hope
I really hope we were not gonna catch a CUDA today, which would have meant that we went past like their barriers and like we outsmarted them, but they found us. We're just ready to go home.
You ready to go home?
Yeah, we'll keep it.
You guys heard it here. Sarah's ready to go home. We're going home, I guess.
We just got a CUDA. Like the rest of the day is over.
Someone want to reel in a CUDA? Try to keep it straight if you can, Grant. Oh, I'll keep it straight. CUDA number 6 coming in. Alright, you guys want to pull them in? Swim towards shore?
Wait, there's actually one more weed patch straight up in front of us.
I gotta get this fish in first. Alright. I can pretty much tell you it's a CUDA already. May have to start going to the key.
I think we need to stay in Fort Lauderdale.
Slow us down a little bit, bud. Oh, it might be a Mahi. Oh, yeah, it's Mahi.
Oh, it's green! It's green!
It's a Mahi.
It's green! It's out of town!
Oh, Mahi.
It's not a bad size. It's a dinner size.
It's eaten. Help me out, see.
Yeah, what do you need, Gaff?
No, it's not. We got the gas. It's full now.
Look at this bullshit! Yeah!
Alright, we got one.
Give me some! Yes! Give me some! Yeah, yeah, yeah!
Off of it.
Mahi shorts, but
guys don't want to be done?
Mahi Gini, Mahi Gini.
I'll get him. See you in a second. Little bull.
Nice.
All right, well, that's food for dinner.
How was that adventure, Captain Sowers?
It was okay, but I thought it was a CUDA, so I was not even excited, or I would have handed the rod off to someone else. I thought it was CUDA.
Best fish of the trip so far. 5-point bonus right here. 5-point bonus.
Nice little bull. All right, what you guys want? You guys want to head in? You want to try around?
We're gonna troll right past this weed patch, and then I
Let's
think
get rigged up real quick. Let's stop for a second. Yeah, we'll go through there. Stop for a second. Just not re-rig. You put him in the box.
Will you do me a favor and hold that fish up in the light before he turns color?
I didn't want to be the one to catch the fish. I thought it was a CUDA, guys. I'm sorry.
Yeah, actually, trade me spaces. Trade me places. Beauty! Beauty, what's that, about 24?
Yeah, probably. A little over.
Yeah.
Fish box.
Yes. Nice work, Cap.
Tastes like cigarettes and beer.
In the shelf.
Here. Keep going like 3 or 4.
Yep. I don't want to go too fast. I want to see if we can get a school up here.
That's what he means. Yeah, that's
Okay. Have a seat, Matt. Might make it easier. We'll pull these other lines once you get a little bit closer.
Reeling, but nothing's happening. No. It's fighting. Pulling. This is a big fish.
Come on, Matt!
It's a big fish. You got shit.
Oh, we got a bill up over there. Pull him in, pull him in, pull him in. Pull him in. He's on like a marlin or something. For sale. Don't put more drag. Just let him run if you want to run. Can we back your drag out just a little bit? Here, give me real. Alright, stop it, Grant.
Stop it?
Yeah. That's because it's not a,
You didn't get this one in, Ken?
yeah. It's not a, Mahi. I just saw a bill come out. It's either a sail or a marlin.
Woo!
Come on, Matt.
I'm over the shotgun. I'll get it, that's fine.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Go underneath you. Go over.
Where you at?
He's out there.
I see him.
Yeah.
He's big.
No, we're on either. I saw a bill. It's either a marlin or a sail.
Whenever you can
Let him run.
jump on that.
Pull back.
Because that's the only way we're going to get... No, hold it the other way.
Not to make it.
Yeah. Wait, stop it and restart it so it's going the right way. Okay, now. That's the only way we're going to get a zoom lens out there.
Not reel him at all. He doesn't reel.
Can we stop? Yes. Well, no. Okay, now we are.
Just a little more drag on him.
We're on
that
our
flight spot out just a little bit.
Come on, Matt.
Button. Oh, stop. All right, you're gaining. You're going. Just don't yank it or anything. Oh, he's fighting. He's jumping or something. I may be wrong, but I'm almost 100% I saw a bill come up. I saw a fin.
I saw like a blue fin.
I saw a giant.
If it's a shark, I quit.
It's not a shark, no.
Okay.
I'm almost certain it's either a marlin or a sail. See my first one, now I can get that tattoo, y'all. Woo! You good? Yeah.
He's coming a little too peacefully for me, but... Oh no, he's doubling down is what he's doing.
Yeah, he's on the pull now. He just let him go. Don't tighten anymore. Just you're good enough for just keep tension on it. No, if he stops, reel.
I did another one.
He'll tell you when he's ready to go out. We're getting the close color here.
Did he just... Nope, he's there. He's just going hard enough to take the fly.
Steve, do me a favor, bud. Yep. Move this rod up. Yep. Depending on which side he's going to go on, that is. Everyone clear up the gun as they come up. That may come to their side. All right, stop it there. You got a marlin on there. You pull that to the front. Huh?
Oh my.
Fucking happening. Pull it to the front.
No, oh, is that a shark? Oh.
Fucking shark! Stop video!
You mother I thought almost 100% I saw a bill, guys. I'm sorry.
So did I. What the f is a shark doing out here?
The shark ate that blue marlin? It was a marlin twice that size and he ate it.
Yeah. Am I the only one that thought they saw a bill? I thought I saw something, yeah.
I saw something, for sure. I'll cut him off.
Ah! At least there's fish out here. If there's sharks out here, it means there's fish out here. How the fuck?
Stick your hand in there.
Never caught a shark trolling in our lives.
Do you want to elbow drop this motherfucker?
Yeah. Cut him off, Steve. I've never caught a shark, so just cut the line. If you have ever caught a shark trolling, let us know in the comments, please. That is definitely a first for us.
Okay, there we go. That's all I wanted.
We thought it was some sort of billfish, sailfish, whatever.
I thought for sure.
Wow. In action.
There's shit out here though.
We got into Crocs today.
For no reason. So what happened, Steven?
Well, we got excited about Matt's fish,
Matt,
and then Grant caught a croc on our tow line. So yeah, we're having to unhook stuff before we can get anything re-rigged.
Luckily, it didn't hook my foot. I felt it touch my foot, and I was like, "Whoa!" All right, give me my croc back, please. Cover up these ugly ass feet. Don't forget to check out the St. Pete Beach Guitar Shop for all of your finger callousing needs. Owned by Matt and Julie. So Julie, tell me what we got going on over here.
Well, Grant, we are making coleslaw for you.
Thank
For our viewers at home, you may or may not know this, but Grant orders about, 3 servings of coleslaw every single time we go out to eat, and his eyes light up. He gets so excited. So I couldn't wait to take the opportunity with the 87 pounds of cabbage that was on accident purchased at the grocery store here in the Bahamas to make Grant some special coleslaw. Now here's the challenge. I don't have all the ingredients for coleslaw. So once again, #chopped, we're making this happen on our local style. So we've got Napa cabbage, we've got celery. We made a very traditional coleslaw sauce with mayonnaise, sugar, vinegar, the things you would normally do, only this time we're gonna be adding fresh cilantro and lime juice. So we're making a cilantro, lime, Napa cabbage slaw. We will see how it turns out.
And I heard you say #chopped. Tell me about your favorite TV show.
Chopped is one of my favorite shows. I love to watch what creativity, in my opinion, technique is everything when it comes to cooking, but creativity is really the hallmark of a great chef. And what those chefs do when they come on Chopped is so cool. So this whole trip has been like an episode of Chopped. I don't know what seafood's gonna be pulled out of the ocean. Tonight we've got Mahi, but not enough. So I've got some extra ingredients to try to supplement. We had no Old Bay seasoning. I decided to make a boil with what little bit we have. So here's what I had to work with. A whole lot of spices. Some I know, some I can't pronounce, some I have no idea what they are, and we made our own Old Bay seasoning for our boil, which we are super excited to try. It smells incredible in here.
Mr. Matthew, what's going on over here?
I got told to check potatoes.
Okay. What's that mean exactly?
I'm not 100% sure. We're gonna do that.
Oh, we got taters.
Those are still potatoes.
We're gonna take a fork and insert them, and if they come out, if they go into the potato easily, then they're done.
Okay.
We don't have a pot big enough to do a proper boil, so we're doing it in batches. Wow, this coleslaw's looking good.
They're not done.
What's the verdict?
They're not done.
Not at all?
Well, I mean, some, but
We're
not
getting there?
enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my Lord.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Holy smoking sauce.
All right, Graham.
Yeah?
We still have to let it sit. Get all the flavors incorporated, but
Right?
tell me how we're doing.
It's tasting good.
Good?
I definitely.
Got the layers of flavor? You get the sour, the creamy, the salty, the tangy?
Yes.
On all cylinders?
I'm loving it right now.
All right.
Yeah. So why do we let it set for a little bit?
Because all those flavors are not incorporated yet.
Okay.
Because mayonnaise is thick, so it
Okay.
takes a little while for all the flavors to incorporate. So right now you're getting layers. We want those all to blend together like an orchestra.
I like it.
So far, I'm loving it. I can tell you that. I can definitely taste the vinegar and a little bit of creamy stuff. Let's go!
Bring the meat, baby.
On time as always, babe.
And are you just looking for something? Ooh, but I want Thank you.
Ooh, I was definitely the swimming duck the other day. Jen.
Yes.
Jen, I just got word. Julie says corn goes in now.
Corn goes in now?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
Julie's outside talking to the house owner guy, Richard. He says corn goes in now. Plunk. Plunk.
I don't want it to splash on me, so you have to go.
Actually, she has pretty good timing because the sausage is starting to float.
Yeah.
We got
Eggs, milk, and hot sauce.
Okay, these
All right, Graham.
Fish gets dipped,
Oh, perfect. You want to
then
dip
it
those
gets
out?
dipped.
All right. Okay, so we're trying an experiment tonight. With our lack of ingredients, we are going to try fish 3 different ways. What did you guys catch today?
Mahi.
Mahi. So we've got a lovely bag of mahi, and we are going to try them with Funyun dust, Cheeto dust, and Dorito dust. Taco Bell, eat your heart out. All right, so we're gonna batter. We've got some eggs, milk, a little hot sauce going on. We're gonna dip.
good.
Ridiculous.
Let's ask Julie permission.
And right into some olive oil coated tinfoil. I agree. But feel free to melt butter. Grant, the pictures are not going to change no matter how many times you shoot them.
Well, I didn't. I wanted it in 60 frames per second.